Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to recover a deleted file in Windows. So don't worry if you've accidentally deleted something important. The first step in recovering a deleted file is to check the recycle bin. So let's check. So for example, this is the file. So it's recycle bin, it's like a safety net for your deleted files. Just double click the recycle bin icon in your desktop, locate the deleted file, and then right click and choose restore. Your file will magically return to its original location. So let's check. Here it is. So in case you can't find it on your recycle bin, don't panic because Windows has another built-in feature called File History. To access it, type File History in the Windows search bar. Here. And let's search File History. This one. So the File History window will open on your end. So as for me, it shows no file history was found. So if it's showing on your end, all you have to do is to right click and then you can restore the file from them. Just browse through the previous version of your files and recover them. And that's it. You now know how to recover a deleted file in Windows, whether it's in the recycle bin or in file history. No more lost files. Remember, accidents happen to all of us, but with these simple steps, you can rescue your important files. Keep your data safe and consider setting up regular backups to avoid future mishaps. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to recover a deleted file in Windows. See you on my next video.